never had a hold on me, but when she finally slipped away, she left me bound. I gripped tight to the mentioned banister, drunker than a forest fire on a lonely Father's Day. We can be bad and good together. We can love each other loud. I'm lighter than a feather. I'll hardly make a sound, and I'll go with you even if it's down. This is a fight to the death, and none of us will leave alive, so we might as well be brave. We can be bad and good together. We can love each other loud. I'm lighter than a feather. I hardly make a sound. I'll go with you even if it's down. With a broken leg, but I do it anyway, and I cut the rug apart. My sweetheart, with my sweetheart, with my sweetheart.
Watch me lean up against the washing machine, second-rate model in a third-rate magazine, 3 sheets to the wind, teeth gleaming like a brand new diamond. Meet me in the kitchen, baby, bring a bottle of wine.
Let me set the scene as if you were watching. Smell of Mr. Sheen and newly washed washing. Big Victorian house on a leafy street. I swear on my feet and the floorboards creak. Loved up on all of her drugs, pumped up in her Persian rug. She leans against the pool table, cool as a cucumber. God, I fucking love her. Cue in one hand, can in the other, and then in walks her mother. Ask why we still in when we should be out. There's a show we've forgotten about. She's right, you know, let's go. I pat my jacket down for the tickets. Lick the inside of that packet. Let's down our beers and get out of here. Through the keyhole, through the letterbox, I took a look inside. I've seen all I'll ever need to see. There's nothing left to hide. Let me set the scene as if you were there. We get in the cab and I tell the driver where. And she winds down her window to get some of that seaside air. And in goes the aux lead, up go the tunes. UK garage fills this saloon. Intoxicates like unleaded fumes. She puts her head outside and howls at the moon, shining bright like the silver spoon with which she was born. The sirens drown out the car horns and blue lights flash across my eyes and dramatise the midnight mass. Huddled together, penguins sheltering from the weather. I can't remember where we're going, whatever. I'm levered, I'm night riding, right place and the right timing. I'm night riding, right place